Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make an amazing sausage cake, for which you of course will need some sausages, 3 eggs, pepper, cheese, sour cream or a yogurt, not the sweet one, and flour. For the beginning you need to start with cutting down the sausages and the pepper into very small pieces, like as you see in the video. Whenever you are done with this, let's go on and break the eggs. For this recipe we need 3 eggs, and we are going to use some yogurt, not the sweet one, or you can also use sour cream, which is good for any cake, so 3 tablespoons will be good for this. Go on and mix all of this. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red pepper, and go on to mixing all of these ingredients together. For this we also need 1 cup of flour, so go on and add it little by little and continually mix this all together. Add a little bit of baking soda, and whenever it is done, let's add the sausages into this mixture. Let's add to this also the cheese, and the peppers. Voila, it is nearly ready. All you have to do now is to mix all of this together very properly, and then take a very comfortable pan or something that you would love it to be cooked, that you would love it to have a special form or anything, and put it there. We have chosen this one. Add it into that and let it be cooked in the oven for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. And whenever done, you can cut it down and try it. We hope you like it. Good appetite!